Okay, page number T4, chapter number 8, trigonometry, standard 10. Sums based on the similarity. No doubt it is the chapter number 6, similarity of the triangles. But some basic concept I will take here. Yesterday we have seen that what is meant by similarity. If the angles are congruent and sides are improportional, then these two triangles are known as the similar triangles. On this base, I have taken some sums. Example number 1, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. If AB is equal to 2 cm, PQ is equal to 5 cm, BC is equal to 3 cm, find the PQ. ABC similar to PQR. So, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. As triangle ABC similar to PQR. Once more is there, but it is not necessary, so I have not taken AC upon PR is equal to AC upon PR. It is not asked, so I have not taken here. So QR, AB is equal to how much? 2. We will substitute it. PQ is equal to how much? 5. I have taken substitute here. BC is equal to 3. Find the QR. QR is equal to cross multiplied 5 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. 15 upon 2 is equal to 7.5 cm. Clear to you? Okay. Now example 2. I have taken such types of the example. For M and P and R as T. M and P correspondence to RTS is similar. Be careful, RTS, not RST I have given. So M and P, M corresponds to R, so I have written R here. Be careful. And N is here. So what is the location of T? T is here. P is here, S is here. According to these vertices, you have to take these vertices. Clear? M and P similar to RTS. MN is equal to 4. RT is equal to 3. TS is equal to 6. Find the NP. We have to find the NP. These two are similar. So Mn upon RT is equal to NP upon TS. Mn is equal to 4. That is 3. NP 6. Cross multiplied. 6 4s are divided by 3. So you will get the answer 8. You will get the answer 8. Now example number 3. I have taken the sums here based on the angles. Previously I have taken the sums based on the proportional sides. Now in triangle ABC and PQR, ABC corresponds to QPR is similar. If angle A is 30, P is 70. A is 30, B is 70. Find angle B, C, P and R. Okay. Now I have taken A, B, C, Q, P, R. A is equal to 30. Why have I taken Q, P, R? I have not taken like this P, Q, R. Why? Because correspondence is given Q, P, R. There is a 6 correspondence between ABC and PQR. In standard 8 or 9, I have taken it. We have seen it. So, according to this one vertices, A corresponds to Q. So, locations of the Q is with reference to B is equal to T. C is equal to R. Okay, A is 30. then P is 70. ABC similar to QPR is similar. Therefore, angle A is equal to Q is equal to 30. So that one is also 30. B is equal to P is equal to 70. That one is given 70. So this is also 70. Now A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Properties sum of angles of triangle. This property, these are equal due to the properties of the similar triangles. Now sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. In standard 9 we have also proved it. A plus B plus C is equal to 180. A is equal to 30. B is equal to 70. C is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80. Therefore, C is equal to R is equal to 80. Correspondence angles of a similar triangles. Okay. Example number 4. समझ पड़ी यार? A જે જગ્યાએ હોય ત્યાં જ Q, B જગ્યાએ P અને C જગ્યાએ R. આ 30 આ 30 આ 70 આ 70. આ બે મળીને આ તમારો 80 આવી ગયો. So that is also 80. Get it? Now example number 4. ABC similar to PQR. Correspondence is not given, it is direct. So that means A correspondence B, B correspondence C, and that is your R is a similar. A plus B is equal to 100. Then find angle R. Very simple. A plus B plus C is equal to 180. A plus B is equal to, you are given the composite value. Individual's value is not given. 110 plus C is equal to 180. C is equal to 180 minus 110, 70. I have not drawn the figures here because it is so simple. C is equal to R because C corresponds to the R and they are similar triangles. So similar triangles, correspondence angles are congruent. Correspondence angles of a triangles are congruent. Get it? Okay. Now similar triangles. According to the definitions, we have seen that if all 6 correspondence triangles are congruent and corresponding sides are in proportional, then they are similar. But as we see as congruent triangles, there is a criteria. All 6 parts are not required to this one. If RHS, SSS, ASA, SAS, you know that. Such types of the one criteria which is required just now, so I have taken AAA. એક ટ્રાયંગલ્સના 3 એંગલ્સ બીજા ટ્રાયંગલ્સના 3 એંગલ્સ સરખા હોય તો એ બંને ટ્રાયંગલ્સ આપણે શું થઈ જાય? સિમિલર થઈ જાય. Okay, suppose you are given these two triangles. Suppose this A, B, C, R, S, T. A is equal to R, B is equal to S, C is equal to T. Then these two triangles A, B, C correspondence to R, S, T is similar. It is not required for also AB upon RS, BC upon ST and AC upon ST. Okay, that is one theorems of chapter number 6. Just now we will accept it here. That criteria is known as the AAA similarity. If for any correspondence between the vertices of the two triangles, corresponding angles are congruent, then the correspondence is similar. ABC correspondence to PQ are given. If angle A is equal to P, B is equal to Q, C is equal to R. Angles બધા સરખા છે. So this then ABC correspondence to PQR is similar according to the AAA criteria. AA criteria. Clear? Now AA corollary AA criteria of the similar triangles. Okay. Now for any correspondence between the vertices of two triangles, if angles in two pairs of correspondence angles are congruent, then the correspondence is a similar. If only two angles are given, not three, two angles are given, congruent angles are given, then these two triangles are similar or not? Okay, yes, I will say that they are similar. जो હું તમને સેટ કરીને બતાવું AA corollary AAA માં suppose that is 30 A B C P Q R, that is 30 you are given, that is 70, that is 70. Therefore angle C is equal to how much? 180 minus 30 plus 70 is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80. That one is 80. Similarly, this is 30, this is 70, so it is automatically 80. Triangles are sarkha thai gaya. So these two triangles are similar triangles. तो कोई वखत તમારે બે સિમિલર ટ્રાયંગલ્સ પ્રૂવ કરવા હોય ત્યારે તમે બે એંગલ્સ પ્રૂવ કરો કે ભાઈ correspondence two angles are congruent, then it is proved that these two triangles are similar to each other. Here I have taken ABC PQR. A is equal to B is equal to Q. Then triangle ABC correspondence to PQR is a similar. That is P6. Previous one is P4 and P5. I have taken this photograph. I will send you by the PDF. Okay. That is T7. That is for me. Don't confuse for these six. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, A is 30, Q is 30, P is 70, B is 70. Then which correspondence is similar? First of all, draw triangle ABC. Where I have written A, suppose I have written A here. A, B, C. Draw here one another triangle, that is your, which are PQR, but I will not give the name. First of all, I will write this. A is 30. So A is correspondence to A is 30, Q is 30. So I have written Q30 here. Then B is 70, 70. Here 70. 70 is correspondence to what? P. So I have written P. A, B, C, Q, P, R. Get it? A is equal to Q is equal to 30, B is equal to B is equal to 70. Therefore, angle C is equal to angle R is equal to 80. Got it? So ABC correspondence to ABC correspondence to QPR. QPR is similar by AA corollary. Okay, get it? Now page number 8, example number, that means I forget it, it is 5 or 6, whatever it may be. That is next example. Example number, in triangle ABC and PQR. Be careful, our main chapter trigonometry is not just started. We are going towards the trigonometry. I have taken such type of the example here. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, B is 90, R is 90, C is 30, P is 30. Then which correspondence is similar? So I have taken here ABC. It is compulsory to write 90 degree. Okay. B is 90. It is here. It locations here. R is 90. R is 90. Now P is 30. If you write P here, then you have to write C here. If you write P here, then C here. Clear? P, B, oh, A, B, C. B is equal to 90. R is equal to 90. C is equal to 30. C is equal to 30. P is equal to 30. P, R, Q. A, B, C similar to P, R, Q. A, B, C similar to Q, R, P. A, B, C correspondence to Q, R, P is similar by A corollary. Okay. Now you are given AC is 5, PQ is 10, BC is 3, then find PR, not QR. Then find PR. Correspondence similar, so you can apply it. AC upon PQ is equal to BC upon PR. AC is equal to what? 5. PQ is equal to what? 10. BC is equal to what? 3. Find PR. Therefore, PR is equal to 3 multiplied by 10 upon 5 to the 6. Get it? We will see in details now.